Yat Malmgren, a Swedish dancer turned acting theorist, reshaped modern acting by fusing the physical expressiveness of Rudolf von Laban's movement science with Carl Jung's profound psychological insights. In an age where many actors chase shortcuts to authenticity, Malmgren offered something far more demanding and infinitely more rewarding. A system where characters are understood through both their inner psychology and the way that psyche physically manifests. Trained under Laban, Malmgren absorbed a movement language rooted in space, weight, time, and flow. But he saw beyond performance. At Drama Centre London, alongside Christopher Fettes and John Blatchley, he developed character analysis using movement psychology, a method that became a kind of sacred geometry for actors. By blending Jungian psychological types, thinking, feeling, sensation, intuition, with Laban's movement principles, Malmgren gave actors a way to construct characters from the inside out. Actors using this system first diagnose their character's dominant function and attitude, introverted or extroverted, and then translate that psychological makeup into movement. A calculating, thinking dominant character might have sharp, bound movements, while a feeling dominant character could float with openness and vulnerability. Each movement became a mirror to the soul. For Malmgren, there were no empty gestures. A walk wasn't just a walk, it was a visual manifestation of a character's deepest drives and shadows. He called it making the inner attitude visible, and the result was something beyond performance. It was transformation. His teachings didn't just change how actors approach characters, they changed how they saw themselves. By mapping their own psychological and physical habits, actors could break free from limitations and step fully into unfamiliar personas. It was grueling, but it yielded extraordinary performances. The legacy is clear. Malmgren's students include acting titans like Anthony Hopkins, Michael Fassbender, Colin Firth, and Tom Hardy, whose explosive physicality and enigmatic presence echo the movement psychology system at its most primal and precise. In today's fast-track culture, Malmgren's method stands tall, a rigorous, poetic map to character that blends intellect, body, and spirit. It's not mimicry, it's not emotion recall, it's architecture, it's alchemy. And for those brave enough to follow it, it reveals not just the role but the actor's own soul.